Welcome to part 2 of Scribble-Deedo. Doodling is one of the simplest, most universal forms of creative expression. You don't need to plan it or make it look a certain way. You just start with a line and let your hand wander. Doodling can be grounding, soothing, and surprisingly revealing. It helps focus a busy mind whilst giving the body something repetitive and rhythmic to do. That combination supports emotional regulation, self-expression, and mindfulness. You can doodle anywhere, at home, at work, at school, on your own, or together. It's something all ages can share. Children, parents, friends, grandparents. Doodling side by side creates connection through shared rhythm and curiosity. In our first exploration, Honorata will show you how to tame a scribble into a doodle. We'll begin with one of our wild flowing scribbles from part 1 and slowly bring form and focus to it. By framing and refining a few shapes, we turn something loose and expressive into something steadying and contained. This isn't about control, it's about balance. The frame can offer a sense of safety, a boundary for your creative energy. Next, we'll stay with one of those found shapes and build repetition inside it, lines, dots, or patterns that echo across the page. This repetition invites rhythm, helps regulate, like steady breathing. It keeps us present and connected. You might notice moments of flow where thinking fades and your hand just knows what to do. That's the moment doodling becomes meditation.
Welcome in our second video on Doodle this time. So this kind of approach is very much about now focusing repetition of the shape, finding shapes and working in slower paced, focusing more. So we're entering more that cognitive capacity as well. We will be developing from some of our scribbles from the first video, and I like to call this process taming a scribble into a doodle. The beauty of Doodle is you need to take your time with it. So of course here it will be just introduction and showing you the process, but remember it's about allowing yourself to spend time with that doodle, not rushing and just enjoying the process of being in the zone and being focused on finding and building the shapes.